Let me introduce Sean, a hardworking individual who spends 40 hours a week at a job he despises, with no savings to his name. To find solace at the end of each week, he indulges in parties, scrolls through social media, and seeks validation on Tinder, seeking a quick dopamine fix. On the other hand, we have James, a driven entrepreneur who reinvests all his profits into building the life of his dreams. During his free time, he focuses on building meaningful connections and improving his physical fitness. Instead of chasing after women, he lets them come to him. Now ask yourself honestly, which of these two individuals do you resemble? For most people, the answer lies somewhere between Sean and James. But if you aspire to become more like James, listen closely. As a successful businessman, I'm here to share a comprehensive 6-step guide that will give you an edge over the majority. Most people won't even reach the end of this video, let alone take action. So if you manage to listen to all these points, you'll gain a significant advantage. Step 1. Embrace a fierce sense of competition. Contrary to the popular saying that it's the taking part that matters, I believe our education system has failed to prepare today's youth for the realities of the world. The ultimate goal should always be winning. Just imagine, if you asked a friend to do your math homework because they excelled in the subject, you'd be reprimanded for cheating. However, in life, if you hire a financial officer to assist you in business, it's applauded. The education system and social media have made the path to success more complex, with Instagram allowing ordinary people glimpses into the lives of the elite. The simple trajectory of leaving school, getting a job, buying a car, attracting a partner, purchasing a house, and starting a family has been distorted. Nowadays, if a man isn't successful, he becomes invisible. This phenomenon has even led to a decline in motherhood rates among women in the West. Influential figures like Jordan Peterson, Hamza, and Tate resonate with many because they express the thoughts of numerous individuals. The world has become harder than ever, and if you genuinely want to get ahead, you must learn to play the game of life on a higher difficulty level. Step 2. Fully immerse yourself in unwavering dedication and obsession. I despise the notion of work-life balance when your goal is to excel. People today are hungrier than ever, and you need to be completely obsessed with your ambitions. There will always be someone out there willing to outwork you. The idea of balance is often an excuse for people to take it easy. You must desire achievement more than you desire even the most basic necessities. This mentality is rooted in sports, where continuous improvement comes with age. When I built my businesses, I prioritized my work above all else, setting the expectation with my partner that my mission would always come first. To keep myself on track, I wrote down my goals on sticky notes and placed them on my mirror. Every morning, I faced the reality of my situation, asking myself why I wasn't progressing faster. Accountability is crucial. Step 3. Become a producer, not just a consumer. For the world to function, we need consumers who engage in mindless entertainment, purchase products, and accumulate debt, allowing the top 1% to reap the rewards. While some advocate for eliminating consumer habits entirely, I find the extreme monk mode movement unrealistic and impractical. Instead, consider a sliding scale where you prioritize being a producer over a consumer. In my youth, I gave up attending parties with acquaintances and invested that time in developing my product designs. Even shifting slightly towards the producer end of the spectrum will place you ahead of the majority, who mindlessly navigate life in consumer mode. Step 4. Master the art of asking questions. Many videos suggest finding a mentor, but they often fail to provide clear guidance on how to do so. The secret lies in the questions you ask. When I was a child, my passion for model airplanes led me to ask my father countless questions. As a result, he took me to a model flying club, where a successful businessman named David noticed my enthusiasm and mentored me. He offered tips and tricks to improve my models, which eventually transitioned into business advice as I grew older. Remember, there are good and bad questions. Busy individuals receive numerous messages, and asking concise and well-thought-out questions will increase your chances of receiving a response. Additionally, take action on the advice you receive, as mentors are less likely to invest time in individuals who fail to follow through. However, be cautious of fake mentors and gurus. Choose your advisors wisely, ensuring they possess genuine experience and have your best interests at heart. Step 5. Develop immunity to the fixation on net worth. It's essential to understand that getting ahead in life is not solely determined by one's wealth. True success lies in the skills, knowledge, and confidence you acquire while building your empire. Someone who struck it rich in a cryptocurrency boom or won the lottery might not possess the practical expertise to replicate that success. Comparing oneself based solely on net worth is a shallow measure of achievement. An entrepreneur worth $10 million may be a better businessman than a Silicon Valley tech entrepreneur worth $100 million. Expand your perspective beyond monetary value and focus on the skills you acquire along the way. Step 6. Overcome your awkwardness with money. Every dollar you spend is earned by someone else. Every building you see is owned by someone. Understanding that money is abundant and attainable is key to escaping the limitations that hold many individuals back. Imagine the story of Sarah, an aspiring entrepreneur who received mentorship from a successful business owner. As part of her mentorship journey, Sarah was encouraged to carry $1,000 in her pocket. This exercise aimed to transform her perception of money, teaching her to view $1,000 as mere pocket change rather than her entire net worth. By becoming more at ease with money, Sarah gained the confidence to negotiate higher salaries, venture into lucrative side hustles, and even launch her own thriving business. Don't be afraid to give generously, as the secret to wealth lies in providing more value to others than you receive. The size of your income is determined by the magnitude of the problems you solve. Remember, making even a slight adjustment in your mindset and actions today can lead to significant improvements in your future. Congratulations on making it this far. If you've reached this point, I encourage you to leave a comment and let me know your thoughts. Remember, implementing even a fraction of these 6 steps will set you on a path to surpassing the majority and achieving exceptional success.